Okay, so for DMR, it says that Nora has a flower arrangement of 7 pink flowers. So we're going to make that pink. 9 purple flowers. 9 purple flowers and 5 white flowers. Okay. Select the correct word to compare the quantities using the ratio. Answer choices may be used more than once. So it says the ratio of blank flowers to blank flowers is 5 to 9. So if I'm looking here, 5 is white and 9 is purple. So my ratio is white. So the ratio of white flowers to purple flowers is 5 to 9. The ratio of blank flowers to blank flowers is 9 to 21. 9 is purple. And I don't see 21 up there. The 21 awfully is an awful big number. So let me add these up. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. So 21 must be the total. So the ratio of purple flowers to total flowers is 9 to 21. And then it says the ratio of blank flowers to blank flowers is 21 to 7. So 21 must be the total again. And 7 is pink. So I'm going to highlight that pink. So the ratio of total flowers to pink flowers is 21 to 7. Okay, so looking at these ratios at the end helped me determine the words that go in the order in the text boxes. Now remember, when dealing with ratios, order matters.